Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super Instagram filter which is a blur filter. So like this, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Friends, first of all, click on the effect option here and just click on the search option here. Just type as blurred background. You can see a first background I just talking about. I just click this first background, and this exact filter which make a super blur option blurred background. Here you can see the background has been blurred, and it will gives you a deep look on your face. So you can make a shots, you can make a reel which will make high quality reels, you can make a high quality videos or YouTube shots by using this particular filter for your short videos. So if you're having a phone with a normal camera, don't worry, use this Instagram filter and make your video to the upper level. So you can just click on the blurred background and view the effect page. You can see there is more than a 2.9 million reels has been created using this particular filter. So this is a so viral filter, and a lot of people are using this, lot of creators are using this and make their reels so viral, and it's look like DSLR. So you can see the blurriness on the background, and I think this filter help you lot. If it is really help you lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the Instagram filter, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.